Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create traffic light in Excel. So let's get started. So before creating our traffic light, we want to make sure that the traffic light will satisfy all the conditions from this table. So if our sales amount is anything more than 30,000, our traffic light will be green. If our sales amount is anything in between 15,000 to 30,000, our traffic light will be yellow. And if our sales amount is less than 15,000, our traffic light will be red. Next, highlight all the cells under this column and then go to Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule and change the format style to icon sets. So this is what we want to display on our table. Click on Show Icon Only, and then you need to change the type to number. You have to be very careful with the middle section here because we want to make sure all the logical expression satisfy the conditions from this table. So when the sales amount is more than 30,000, our traffic light should be green. So this is incorrect. We should change it to greater than and then enter the value 30,000. Next, if our sales amount is anything in between 15,000 to 30,000, our traffic light should turn yellow. So this is correct and this is also correct. Just key in 15,000 and if the sales amount is anything less than 15,000, our traffic light should turn red. So this is also correct. Then click on it. However, as you can see, the traffic light is not showing up. So what you need to do is click on this cell, equal sign, and then click on the value next to the cell, press enter, and then fill up the entire cells. So the reason why I did the previous step simply because I want to make sure that the traffic light will change accordingly when this cell gets updated. Let's do one example. Let's enter one value, anything that is less than 30,000. Let's pick 18,000 for example. So I am expecting the traffic light to change to yellow. Press enter. Yep, it changed to yellow. However, our traffic light is sitting at the bottom left corner of the box, so we need to apply some formatting to fix this. So click on this to make sure our traffic light is in the middle, and then click here so that everything is at the center of the box. Still, it is too small. Let's make it bigger. So let's go here and change it to 24. Looks like right. If you feel like showing some contrast, what you can do is you can apply background color. Go here and choose whatever color that you like. Let's pick black for example. But if you want your table to be as simple as possible and it is not too cluttered and too busy, well, you can just go back here and click no fill, and there's no more background color. And that's how you create traffic light in Excel. I hope this helps, and give it a try.